Students at Worcester Polytechnic Institute build a robotic system to find and safely detonate landmines, that kill as many as 20,000 people around the world each year.
The project has basically two major components, this being the first component, and what this one is about is actually detecting the landmine and recording the GPS coordinates for that. Those GPS coordinates are then communicated to the other half of the system. That half of the system is the aerial component.
Teams of mobile 3D printing robots could fix bridges on Earth and build them to Mars. NYU Tandon School of Engineering is working to make the concept a reality. Seattle company has invented a robot which creates pizza in less than a minute. The machine can crank out up to 312-inch pizzas each hour. Robots to cut 200,000 U.S. bank jobs in next decade, Wells Fargo study says. Technological efficiencies will result in the biggest reduction in headcount across the U.S. banking industry in its history. Subscribe for the latest robot headlines.